Integrating Monday.com items is a straightforward process that can enhance your workflow and productivity. To begin, it is essential to understand the basics of Monday.com and its item-based structure. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows you to manage and track various tasks and projects through customizable boards, which are composed of items. The first step in integrating Monday.com items is to set up your board. This involves creating a new board and defining its purpose, such as project management or task assignment. Once your board is set up, you can start adding items, which represent individual tasks or projects. Each item can have various columns, including text, date, and status columns, which provide more context and details about the task. To integrate items, you need to connect your board to other tools and apps. Monday.com offers a wide range of integrations with popular services, such as Google Drive, Trello, and Slack. You can access these integrations through the Monday.com marketplace, where you can browse and install the apps you need. For example, you can integrate your Monday.com board with Google Drive to attach files to your items and access them directly from your board. Another key concept in integrating Monday.com items is automation. Monday.com offers a built-in automation feature that allows you to create custom workflows and automate repetitive tasks. You can set up automated workflows to perform actions such as sending notifications, assigning tasks, and updating item status. This helps to streamline your workflow and reduce manual effort. Best practices for integrating Monday.com items include keeping your board organized and clutter-free, using clear and descriptive item names, and establishing a consistent naming convention. It is also essential to set up proper permissions and access controls to ensure that only authorized team members can view and edit your board and items. In practical terms, integrating Monday.com items can help you achieve specific goals, such as streamlining your project management process, enhancing collaboration and communication among team members, and gaining valuable insights into your workflow and productivity. By following these steps and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com and take your workflow to the next level. In conclusion, integrating Monday.com items is a simple and effective way to enhance your workflow and productivity. By setting up your board, connecting to other tools and apps, automating repetitive tasks, and following best practices, you can create a seamless and efficient work environment that helps you achieve your goals. With its intuitive interface and robust features, Monday.com provides a powerful platform for managing and tracking your tasks and projects. And integrating items is a key part of this process.